Raining day in Valencia. Now we are at the northern of the city. So you can see in Valencia rains too. And today is especially it's because the clothes are really big, really fun. This is not usual, so much. Anyway, at this season, it's normal. It's normal to find this way, and you know it's good as well, of course. Some thunders, and by the moment it's quiet, but a few minutes ago it made some thunderbolts on the sky between the clouds. What else? I'm just expecting for some thunderbolts, maybe if I'm lucky. It seems that unfortunately will be no more thunderbolts, by the way. Well, so that's all from Valencia in a rainy day. Today you see the date in the text lines. So we are on April, the beginnings of April 2009. Hope you find this a bit interesting. I think it's not much interesting, this video, but just to see the weather here in Valencia on 2009, beginnings of April. So bye bye.